To use student loans to pay tuition, start by filling out the FAFSA, which is the first step in applying for student loans and outlines the specific amounts of aid you can receive. After your FAFSA has been processed, you will receive a financial assistance letter from your school's aid office, which will show the specific monetary amount you can get. Carefully review your financial aid award letter, and if you wish to accept the loan, do so through your online student account. Federal student loan borrowers must then complete entrance counseling, which provides specific loan terms and conditions. Next, sign a promissory note after accepting your federal student loans. Once all the essential paperwork is completed, the funds from your student loan will be directly dispersed to your school to pay the tuition. By following these steps, you can easily use your student loan to pay your tuition. The process is straightforward, and completing these tasks will allow you to successfully utilize your student loan to cover your tuition costs.